have some work going on here at the office. We're digging some holes. Have the guys digging some holes. We found a treasure map. So we think there might be buried treasure on this property. We're getting there so far. They've got 5 holes dug. We've got 2.5 acres more to keep digging. No, but really we're going to be putting in some palm trees. We have some palm trees coming in. We just need a spot to put them, to water them.
We are here at this job site. We are getting these palms ready for transplant. We're gonna take them out here and we're gonna transplant them at the yard. Doing so, we're gonna make a moat around the palm tree, soak it so it's saturated enough to hopefully pluck it from the ground. We are extracting 6 palm trees. This is one of the 6. This is probably the smallest one. So with no access coming into the backyard, we're gonna have to cut it down and haul it out. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do this. Put some dirt right there behind it.
Hey Joey, how heavy is that?
Yeah, it's about 200-300 pounds.
Yeah.
The hardest part was gauging the root ball. We had to cut off about 75% of the root ball in order to extract it out of the hole. That was the hardest part. And looking at these, I do believe that's going to be the case here as well.
The only thing is we're not going to cut any of it out. We're not going to chop it down. We're going to try and take it all out. There's a hole.
It's just right here. This is the most stubborn part. The main root ball of the palm tree. And I know these ones have it straight down as well.
So they're probably going to be bigger because they're bigger.
Yeah, this was a small one. We shall see. Palm trees are like alligators. They're cute when they're small, but when they grow up, nobody wants them. To extract these out with the heavy equipment, we're gonna have to climb up there and chop them down by hand. So hopefully we get enough or all of these out, so that way we can stand on the bus. Yeah, wouldn't be too bad. Not the first time.
And Jorge could be on one side, you could be on the other side with the saw, and he could.
Just catch you on this side.
Yep. You're not recording all this, are you?
No.
Not there.
All loose.
Yeah.
It should be
good right there.
I do think once we have it strapped up, I think we should, either lean it this way or lean it this way. Hopefully he has a chain and everything, so that way when he pushes it, we can hold it. And then cut off with a lot on this side and pull it back. Cut off on this side, that way it doesn't erupt.
You don't want to be around it when it fucking erupts, yeah. But what
No, it just has a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
Already got 3 of the 5 up. So far so good. There's 2 more left to go. we are. We got all of them in. Luckily, nobody got. You know, everybody has their extremities. No, it wasn't too bad. We got him down. We got him over here. No problem. Got him in there. We're good. Not too bad.